Welcome to Pelican's how to insert, lock, remove, and reverse your HyDryve. You always want the rigid edge of the fins facing the direction in which you are going. When inserting the HyDryve into the kayak, make sure the fins line up together, one behind the other. This will ensure they aren't caught up on anything as you insert the drive. You'll need at least 13 inches of water below the bottom of the hull. Where the drive's metal pins stick out, you will find two black locking mechanisms that, when pulled back, slide over those metal pins, locking the drive into place. Adjusting the pedals is simple, and there are 5 different positions available. Here's a tip. Lining up the pedals side by side will usually line up the fins, unless you choose to adjust one pedal longer than the other. Then you simply need to ensure the 5 holes along the top of the drive are lined up together, even if this means the pedals are offset. Removing the pedal drive is just as easy. Unlock the locking mechanisms by pushing them forward. Ensure the fins are properly lined up and pull up on the drive to remove it. Reversing the drive is simple. Just remove the drive and install it backwards. This takes approximately 10 seconds. Learn more about the Catch 130 HyDryve by watching more videos in our how-to series.